am so excited for this Buzzed Into Madison. We are back here at the Bruce Company. What a great way to give a gift of color or beautify your own home as a gift to yourself. These are the big three. Lisa's big three. Go, girl.
My big three Christmas blooming plants. So when the holidays are over, you want to know how to make these look their best for as long a time as possible.
Yes.
So let's start with the most popular, the Big Daddy poinsettia. So they are native to Mexico and they like that kind of weather. So think about heat, think about a lot of sun, and think about drying it out between waterings. And that's how you get it to look its best for the longest amount of time.
Love it. A good cactus.
A good cactus. Christmas cactus, or this is actually a Thanksgiving cactus, and that's what you'll find most often. Similar, because it's a succulent, so a lot of sun and dry, but they like it to be a little bit cooler. And if you're a person whose Thanksgiving cactus never blooms, the trick is to put it in a room that is dark at night. The shortening day length is what boosts the flower bud production.
You just saved my cactus.
There you go.
Has not seen any blooms, and this is stunning.
This is my favorite. This is a cyclamen. They're locally grown. They have the beautiful variegated foliage, really cool flowers. They are a little more forgiving in how much light they get and also soil moisture. So cooler spot, bright indirect light, and you can let it water. They come in a ton of colors.
Ton of colors. These are absolutely stunning. Thank you. These are such great tips. Give as gifts. Gift one to yourself.
Absolutely.
Beautify your space. You've done the tree. Now, you know, get a plant.
And when the tree is gone, this will still be looking great.
Right. Speaking of looking great, I love your ears.
I like your ears too.
We look good. Love it. I'm Emmy Fink. She's Lisa Briggs, and we are
Buzzed Into Madison.